Hi everybody! As you know, in this course we will be learning the game engine Godot by making this basketball shooter game. We will be able to import the force and the angle, and when we push this button we will shoot. If we score a point, we will get a small applause. In this course we also have a number of exercises. For each exercise the solution is given. It's best to try the exercise independently before looking at the solution. This is to get your brain into active learning mode. It's better to try something yourself and think about it than just follow along step by step. If you get stuck, don't be upset, it happens to the best of us. Just have a look at the solution and see where you went wrong. And irrespective if you succeed or fail at the exercise, you will certainly have learned a lot. And that's what it's all about. As I mentioned before, this game is aimed at the complete beginner, so no prior knowledge is required. You do need a small amount of basic computer skills, like being able to download and copy files and stuff like that. And you need to install a version of Godot on your computer before you get started. So just surf to the Godot website and download and install the latest version. A small amount of high school maths and a small amount of high school physics would also be helpful, but it's not strictly required. So even if you have poor math skills and you don't know much about physics, you can still follow along quite easily. And other than that, all that you need is just a little bit of perseverance. So let's get started. See you in the next video. Bye bye.